This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming ports and cables. This prevents wasted time. Connect each monitor to your GPU or docking station, then power them on. Once done, set both monitors to their native resolutions in their on-screen menus so scaling stays accurate. Make sure the primary monitor is the one your system boots to. This simplifies driver detection. If using adapters, use active adapters for display port to HDMI. That avoids handshake issues. Now open your operating system, display settings to continue. You now tell the OS to treat two monitors as one workspace. On Windows, choose Extend and Arrange screens to match physical layout. This lets the cursor move fluidly. On Mac OS, drag displays in arrangement to align tops and edges for consistent movement. On Linux, use xrandr commands or your display manager to set resolutions and positions. This is precise for mixed DPI setups. Once aligned, test by dragging a window across both screens to ensure seamless transition and correct scaling. Finish by matching refresh rates and scaling so windows don't jump between screens. Mismatched rates cause stutter. If bezel alignment matters, use your GPU control panel for bezel correction or a small offset. That creates a continuous visual plane. Once done, calibrate color and brightness to look cohesive. If things go wrong, the key troubleshooting step is to check cable type and adapter compatibility. Swap to a direct display port or HDMI cable and reboot. That fixes most handshake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.